Hello guys, how to fix if your monitor detected but not displaying error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Now basically the Windows 11 monitor detected but not displaying is usually caused by a connectivity or driver problem. It may also be just a problem with your settings or the projection mode. And to fix these issues, press bin plus P shortcut key and here choose PC screen only. Disconnect the external monitor from your PC, power off your computer and reconnect the monitor while the PC is still off. Power on your PC and choose the option extend option to check if the monitor is detected and displays as it should. The next workaround is change the settings for the external display. Right click on desktop, choose display settings. Scroll down on the right pane and select advanced display. Here select the monitor that you are having a problem with from the top right corner drop down menu. Choose your monitor. Now first make sure that the refresh rate is on par with your monitor and change it accordingly. Click on OK. Display adapter properties. Click on list all modes and change a frequency rate lower. Click on OK. The next workaround is update your graphics driver. Right click on start button, choose device manager. Here go to the display adapter section, expand it. Right click on your graphics card driver, choose update driver, search automatically and restart your system and check whether